Hello guys, it's Fred here from Pro Tennis Trader. I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to be explaining support and resistance in relation to tennis trading and use this to demonstrate to you just how predictable the price movements are in tennis trading compared to any other type of trading out there. And of course, this is one of the many reasons why it makes such a good medium for trading. So if you're completely new to trading or the idea of support and resistance, now let me first of all explain the concept in terms of financial trading and then how support and resistance works in tennis trading. So support and resistance are terms for two respective levels on a price chart that appear to limit the market's range of movement. The support level is where the price regularly stops falling and bounces back, while the resistance level is where the price normally stops rising and dips back down. Now the levels exist as a product of supply and demand. If there are more buyers than sellers, then the price will rise. And if there are more sellers than buyers, then the price will fall. So on this Forex chart, you can see that there is a bullish movement with clearly defined support and resistance levels. The support level is the bottom level, and the resistance is the top level. Now the price moves seamlessly up and down, touching the support and resistance lines before reversing in the opposite direction. Now this is a very clean example of support and resistance in Forex, and you won't often see such clean and smooth reversals as this. However, I've used this chart so it can be easily explained and provides a nice illustration. Now in nearly every type of sports trading, apart from tennis trading, you will not see these support and resistance lines. The prices will often be very erratic with all of the noise that comes with most sports. So let's take football for example. There may be a nice smooth price movement, but then suddenly if there is a free kick on the edge of the box or a penalty, there will be erratic price movements even before a goal has even been scored. In tennis trading, the price will rarely move much in either direction unless an actual point has been scored. There is essentially much less noise in tennis trading. So let me now show you an example of support and resistance in tennis trading and explain what affects these support and resistance levels. So in this match between Malkin and McDonald, we can see that there is a pattern of price movement which occurred in the second set. There is a support line at around the 3.8 mark and a resistance line at around the 5.0 mark. Now I say around the 3.8 and 5.0 mark as there is some slight movement above and below these lines, which is perfectly normal in any type of trading. You never get 100% precise prices with any type of support and resistance. However, tennis trading is such a great sport to trade because you do get these support and resistance levels, and the reason for these defined support and resistance levels is down to the pricing pattern that occurs with service holds. Now in this match, Malkin dropped the first set, which actually caused quite a bit of overreaction in the market, with his price rising up to 7, but then actually levelled out at 6.0 before he served in the second set. Now when he held his first service game, this took his price down to 3.8, which is our support level. Now you can see that this support level of 3.8 is hit a number of times. In fact, it hits it 5 times, which is the amount of service holds that Malkin had in this second set. When McDonald then held in his first service game of the second set, this took Malkin's price back up to 6.0. Malkin then served and held again, and his price shortened back to the support level of 3.8. McDonald then held his next service game, but this time the price only drifted to 5.0 due to the increase in market confidence in Malkin. Now this 5.0 price level is the resistance level, because you can then see how it hits this a number of times each time McDonald holds his serve. So from this point on, each time McDonald holds, the resistance price of 5.0 is held, and each time Malkin holds, the price shortens down to the 3.8 support level. So you can now see just how mechanical the price movement is in tennis trading, which is one of the major reasons why it is so good for trading. Now in very simple layman's terms, you can simply back the server on each of their service holds to make a profit. But of course, there is a lot more to it than just doing this, which is why my students receive over 8 hours of educational content to comprehensively learn how to trade. It would be highly irresponsible of me to say that you can make profit long term by simply backing the server using the pricing movements demonstrated here. There's essentially a lot more to it than this. So you can see after Malkin's 5th service hold, where his price drops down to 3.8, the price then breaks through this support level. This is because at 5.4, after Malkin had just held with his price at 3.8, McDonald then went love 15, love 30, 15.30, 15.14, 30.40, and then game. There was no chance for the price for Malkin to move back to the price of 5.0, which was the resistance level, as it crashed down to 2.0 as Malkin took the second set. Now this is yet another mechanical element to tennis trading, in that due to the fact that Malkin has now pulled a set back and it is now 1-1, then the prices will return to starting prices. As you can see, Malkin started the match at the price of just above 2.0. And if we look at McDonald's pricing charts, these same price movements are mimicked, with support level being at the 1.20 mark and the resistance level being at 1.40. Once again, these are clearly defined support and resistance levels in which you could trade the serves quite seamlessly in this one. And then of course, we see McDonald's price shoot up to the 2.0 price, which is evens to Malkin when he gets broken. So you can see just how mechanical these price movements are in tennis trading, which as I said earlier, you just don't get in any other type of trading. And just one final word on when support and resistance levels are broken. Now in this match, the levels were broken due to a break. So there is a perfectly valid reason for this level to be broken. Very often, in other types of trading, particularly in Forex, these support and resistance levels will get broken, but more often than not, you as the trader will not know why this has happened. Very often, there'll be no logical explanation for it. It just happens, and of course it can be frustrating to not know the reason why it has happened. But with tennis, there is a reason for it. The break, which is just one of the many reasons why I think tennis trading is so good. Now, if you'd like to begin your journey into tennis trading, then you can take my free Introduction into Tennis Trading video course at protennistrader.com. And for a limited time only, you can also claim a copy of my ebook, Tennis Trading, the Ultimate Guide to Getting Started. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more sports trading related content and to be notified of when I add new videos, please subscribe to my channel, Pro Tennis Trader. I'll see you soon.